All right, today we are going to be updating geotargets. All you need to do is head on over to my site, copy the prompt, paste it in your agent of choice. I like Gemini. I'm using the free tier right here. It's pretty powerful. So paste it in and then add the information the prompt is asking for. But basically, if you have a list of zip codes or a list of locations, really whatever location information you have, try just putting it in the prompt and hitting enter. I recommend actually including the campaign name just to be as specific as possible. If you are familiar with Editor, then you know that you can kind of select your destination and import it kind of different ways, but I recommend having as much information as possible. And if it doesn't work the first time, don't get discouraged. Editor has a bit of a learning curve, and then just imports in general do as well. So if it works perfectly on the first time, that's awesome, but rarely is that the case. So feel free to go back, update your prompt. If you don't like your first import, you can add extra information, update your requirements as far as which locations you have. So as you can see here, we've gone back and asked it to add some zip codes. So we've expanded our list greatly, and something you see here is the check locations option. Don't forget to do that. You're gonna have a lot of those yellow warning signs. And if you have a really large zip list, chances are you might have some that are invalid, especially if AI did the searching for you, which in this case it did, so just delete those. Always double check your geo in Google Ads after the import and adjust accordingly. But as you can see here, we really quickly imported a ton of locations. We didn't have to do it manually in Google Ads. Easy peasy. Please comment below with how this worked out for you. Thanks. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this far. Comment below with any ideas for future videos. And whether you have any questions about the video or looking for Google Ads consulting, feel free to contact me via my website, adsbysam.com. There you can find free prompts as well as any premium prompts, as well as the Validator sheet. My goal with this channel is to find ways to save time working in Google Ads and to share that knowledge. So if you can appreciate what I'm trying to do here and interested in more, please subscribe and leave a comment. It's the best way to support me and get more content just like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.